Hello everyone. Our topic is microorganisms, friends and foe, part 3. In this part, we are going to talk about harmful microorganisms. Let's start. Microorganisms are harmful in many ways. Some of the microorganisms cause diseases in human beings, plants, and animals. Such disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Some microorganisms spoil food, clothing, and leather. Pathogens enter our body through the air we breathe, through water which we drink, or the food which we eat. They can also transmit by direct contact with an infected person. Microbial diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food, or physical contact are called communicable diseases. Cholera, common cold, chickenpox, and tuberculosis are examples of communicable diseases. When a person suffering from common cold sneezes, fine droplets of moisture carries thousands of viruses are spread in the air. The virus may enter the body of a healthy person while breathing. Carriers of diseases are air, water, food, vectors like housefly and mosquito. The housefly sits on the garbage and animal excreta. Pathogens stick to their body. When these fly sits on the uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogens. Whoever eats the contaminated food is likely to get sick, so it is advisable to always cover the food. Protozoans, viruses, bacteria are the sources of many human diseases in human beings. Let's look at some diseases caused by microorganisms in human beings. Malaria. It is caused by Plasmodium, which is a protozoan. Plasmodium lives inside female Anopheles mosquito, which feeds on human blood. All mosquitoes breed in water, hence, one should not let water collect anywhere in coolers, tires, flower pots, etc. Cholera is caused by bacteria Vibrio cholerae. It's spread by means of contaminated water and food. Symptoms of cholera are abdominal cramps, dehydration, headache, vomiting, and nausea. Typhoid. Typhoid is caused by bacterium Salmonella. Typhoid is transmitted by the ingestion of food and water contaminated with feces from an infected person. In this, the patient feels weak and tired, headache, backache, diarrhea, constipation, high fever for 10 to 14 days are other symptoms of typhoid. Viral diseases. Measles, chickenpox, and polio are viral disease and spread through air. They are vaccine usually given to children at an early age. Hepatitis B. It is a viral infection that attacks liver. The virus is transmitted through contact with blood or other body fluids of an infected person. Microorganisms causes disease not only in human beings but also in animals. For example, anthrax is a cattle disease caused by bacterium Bacillus anthracis. Foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by virus. Several microorganisms cause diseases in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple, and others. The disease reduces the yield of crop. Citrus canker is a disease of citrus fruits caused by bacteria. Rust of wheat is a fungal disease caused by fungus. Yellow vein mosaic of ladyfinger is caused by virus. Now let us discuss about food poisoning. Food poisoning could be due to the consumption of food spoiled by some microorganisms. Microorganisms that grow on food sometimes produce toxic substances. These make the food poisonous, causing serious illness and even death. Foods from animals, raw food, and unwashed vegetables can all contain germs that cause food poisoning. So, it is very important to preserve the food from spoiling. We will discuss how to preserve the food in next video. Thanks, students.